I like dancing. She enjoys cooking. We love shopping. He hates studying. Do you know how to tell someone that you like or don't like doing something in English? There are so many ways to do it. Welcome back to Lingoni English. My name is Emily, and in this video, I'll teach you how to talk about things you like and don't like in English. We can use like, don't like, hate, love, and don't mind, plus an ing verb in English to talk about how we feel about certain activities and things. I like going to the movies. I like it. It's fun. It makes me happy. I don't like going to the grocery store. It's not so fun. She loves playing games. She loves it. It's her favorite. My sister hates cleaning. She hates it. She doesn't like it at all. They don't mind waiting. This means when they wait, it's not a problem. So let's talk a little bit more about how to use it. Again, to love something means something is great. I love eating yummy food. Like means it's good. Love, like. Like means it's good. Love, like. I like watching movies on the couch. Don't mind means it's okay. Love, like, don't mind. I don't mind working on the weekend. Don't like means it's bad. So, love, like, don't mind, don't like. I don't like washing the dishes. Hate means it's really bad. I hate going to the dentist. So, love, like, don't mind, don't like, hate. So, that is the order of best to worst. And after we use that word, we often use an ing verb. So, we love watching old movies. I don't like doing chores around the house, like dishes and laundry and cleaning. Do you like reading? Does he mind helping us? Is it a problem for him if he helps us? Is he okay with helping us? What do you love doing? What do you love doing? Okay, let's do a little practice. I'll give you a word and you put it in a sentence with love, like, don't mind, don't like, or hate. Okay, there are lots of answers. Let's just try a few, and I'll give you a couple of answers. Let's do the first one together. So, hate, clean. Okay, so maybe you could say, I hate cleaning, or she hates cleaning, or they hate cleaning. We hate cleaning. Sandy hates cleaning. Okay, very good. So let's do number 2. You do it alone, and then we'll answer together. Love, shop. Love, shop. I love shopping. He loves shopping. They love shopping. We love shopping. Number 3, don't mind, listen. Don't mind, listen. She doesn't mind listening. We don't mind listening. They don't mind listening. You all don't mind listening. Like, read. Like, read. I like reading. Do you like reading? She likes reading. They like reading. Last one, don't like, dance. Tom doesn't like dancing. They don't like dancing. I don't like dancing. Okay, how did you do? I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want, you can write some sentences of your own in the comments below, and we will check them and correct them. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!